What is mayonnaise? Mayonnaise, or simply mayo, is a white, thick, and creamy condiment which is used in salad dressing, bread spread, preparation of snacks like burgers, hot dog sandwiches, French fries, salads, cupcakes, and dips. Mayonnaise is said to be the invention of the French chef of the Duc de Richelieu. In 1756, while the Duke was defeating the British at Port Mahon, his chef was creating a victory feast that included a sauce made of cream and eggs. In 1911, the first commercial mayonnaise, labeled Mrs.Schlorer, is introduced in the public. Mayonnaise is made with egg yolk, oil, and vinegar. Mustard and spices are added to it as taste enhancers. The trick is in the emulsion, the process of combining two substances that would otherwise tend to not mix, which turns the liquid oil into a solid.